The work to save a historic tree near the Washington Monument is underway. The Mulberry tree, which is older than the monument itself, fell last weekend. Park officials say all the recent rain is to blame. Today, crews prepped and pruned the tree and started the big task of raising it up safely.